Last year, plastic surgeons performed 1.8 million surgical procedures. This is not surprising. Facelifts were among the top 5. So if you've even thought about going under the knife, consider this. There is a new treatment that involves no incisions, no anesthesia, no downtime. It takes 45 minutes.
No way. In today's Be Well with TCL, Kelly Hansen shows us the Silhouette Insta-Lift. She takes us to Contour Clinic in Burnsville to see how it works.
You had this done a month ago, right?
Yes, I did.
What was your experience like?
It was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. There was no pain.
66-year-old Sue Rowan just had what I call a lunchtime procedure, a non-surgical facelift called the Silhouette Insta-Lift.
So we're looking for the least amount of downtime and the least amount of trauma with the most natural result. We still have just a little margin right down in through here.
It starts with numbing the face, then a suture made of the same material as medical stitches is threaded through the skin.
Typically it's anywhere from 2 to 3 sutures per side that we use. So once I get all, let's say 3 of them lined up, then what I do is I actually give just the suture a little tug and I just smooth the skin right over the top of it, and it holds on. So each of these little sutures has like tiny little knots on it, really. And so it holds the tissue back and it keeps that held back that way. And then over the next 6 to 8 weeks, as that suture starts to dissolve, it's laying down the collagen, which maintains that elasticity or the pull back in the skin. Are you feeling any of this at all? Over 6 to 8 weeks, those sutures will eventually just dissolve and go away. And then they leave behind a really nice collagen bridge that keeps that skin nice and lifted.
There's no downtime, and the results can last 3 years. We found the treatment at Contour Clinic in Burnsville, where injection specialist and nurse Rebecca Suess has been wowed by results like this.
Where I really love this are for people that maybe already have a full cheek and they've already got a full face, but they're just feeling droopy. This is a great way to just pull that skin back and hold it there.
I've had some other things done and didn't see the immediate result, but this one was. I sat up from the table and I could tell the difference.
Have you seen your before and after pictures?
Yes.
And what did you think when you saw them?
That was amazing.
Sue's before and after photos are within 45 minutes of each other, proving the results can be achieved over a lunch break.
You don't want to look like you're 20.
No.
You just want to feel good in your skin.
I don't even want to look like I'm 40, but a good 60 is great.
According to the American Society of Plastic Surgeons, the average facelift can cost over $7,000. So maybe you're wondering how much the Insta-Lift procedure costs. It is much less. It will depend on how many sutures are used, but Contour Clinic is offering TCL viewers their member pricing for this procedure. 6 sutures start at $2,400. Regularly, that would be priced at $3,000. We have posted all of the pricing details at TwinCitiesLive.com.
There you're also going to find more before and after pictures, and we want to say a big thanks to Contour Clinic for sponsoring the show.